fans is strong, man. The fans is like definitely putting me in the position to really talk crazy. Anyway, you dig what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like I said, I was more shocked of watching battle rap, seeing how fake that shit was for real. So I thought that like a nigga like me wouldn't even be appreciated because it'd be you know what I'm saying like, but you mean the people fucking with it heavy, heavy time. It's like I'm bringing like that old shit back, and everybody loving it, and you know what I mean. So it's more of a appreciation tip. Like I'm glad that they loving that shit. I'm glad they loving it. Yeah. So it's like all right, boom, the real shit is back. That old gritty shit is back, and they fucking with it. So that's what we doing.
Yeah,
All right.
I seen a YouTuber reviewing one of your battles, and he was like, so as of today, he was like, when he listening to you, what I'm saying, he hear a new Rex, and I was like, are we gassing that, or is that like, can I really?
No, but it was that Rex Field though. It was the Rex
And that's
Field.
what I
You
was saying. He
gotta
was talking
understand.
about,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
like, is he talking about like the fear? And I was like, it gotta be the fear. That's what it is. And
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. See, that's what I'm saying. See, that's why I said I want Battle Rex though. People be thinking I'm just like picking. No, man. Because if you give me a vintage Rex, I promise you it's a classic. I promise you.
if we get them
You
12,
know what I'm
12
saying?
pennies and them 38s,
If you get
38s.
if you get if you get if you get a good ass Rex, bro, I promise you Rex is easy. The block cap is gonna be one of them ones. I promise you that.
What's the last good Rex you saw? You saw.
I
Cause
don't know,
I just
not like in
I,
the last
I just
two,
watched the
not like the last few Joe. I mean, I was there for Tay Rock and Rex. I was there. I was there live for that. So to me, that was a good Rex. You know what I'm saying? Like it wasn't the best Rex, but it was a good Rex. It was a good Rex and shit. So that kind of showed me he still had it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like that. So you got to even go back further than that. Was like, what's the best Rex? Like I mean, I don't know, but you know what I mean? Like the last time I seen him live was
film versus Bill Collector.
Rex vs. Bill. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I seen him with Rex vs. Bill. Yeah.